on building ChatGPT using React and Tailwind. In this episode, we are going to use basically the useState package to manage the state inside of our web page. We are going to clean also this grid that we use to confirm that we are actually using Tailwind. And we are going to create a form to later send that as a prompt to make a question to ChatGPT, and also create the variable that will later receive the answer from from the OpenAI API and later to show it. So let's go. Basically, we were left in this point. We can clean this and we can start by creating maybe just a text saying enter your question here. We have this here. I'm going also to make this like this to occupy 5 columns, or to divide the screen by 5 columns, and in here we have this attribute it will occupy 3 and it will start on the second position. And in here, yes, we can put our span variable with enter your question. Okay, now that we have this, we can also start creating our text area to later put it. We can already see it here, but maybe even that we are not in this video focusing too much on the CSS, I'm going to just give a little rounded border. We already have there, but I'm going to put it a little darker, still gray but darker. Okay, perfect. And we already can write something here, but the value in here, it's not being saved. So we are going to create 2 variables. One of it will be our prompt, that it will be what is in here, and we are going to use the useState mechanism to save this. We need to import it. Perfect. And to see that, oh, of course, we need also to keep our value. And to do so, we are going to use the set prompt. In here, we are going to put the event. So basically the onChange is an event, and this event has a property that is the target. And if we apply the value to the set prompt, what will happen is that our prompt will change with the current value of this text area. We can confirm this by showing that value in here. As you can see, it is the same as down below. To finish this video, we can also already keep in mind that later we will need to have an answer to show. So we are going to create the value for it. Currently empty. Thank you so much. If you have any doubt, please post in the comments. I will be happily to answer any doubt that you might have. And I hope you are excited for the future videos to get the OpenAI working in our React website. Thank you very much and see you again. Ciao.